Say you want someone. Say you want someone. Said you want someone. I think I got mixed personalities. This bitch switched up my whole mentality.
Hey guys, it's me Jordan today, back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordan. If you guys are not new to my channel, welcome back. I'm happy you guys decided to come back. In today's video, I'm gonna be reorganizing my closet and cleaning up my whole room. It is a Sunday, which Sundays I usually chill in the house, do homework, watch YouTube, or film a video or upload a video. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, is rearranging my room / closet and cleaning up this messy room. So if you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to comment and suggest videos you guys like to see, and let's get started. This is where I was just standing. My mess. First of all, this is a mess. Boxes. These are my shoe boxes, but I need to finally put up all this. That's Valentine's Day stuff. This is from last year. Candy that I've opened, not open, just towels, hats, my scarf and bonnet I just took off. Like, all of this is a mess. That's a mess. Where I do my makeup, that's a mess. That is a mess. This corner is a mess. Clothes I need to take downstairs. This is my little sister's stuff. This is her bed. This is my bed. My bed is not a mess, but this area, open candy I've got for Valentine's Day, and just like all these clothes, some of these clothes need to be on dirty clothes, so we're gonna fix that today. So I'm gonna set you guys up, probably talk to you guys, and just you guys are gonna watch me clean up and stuff. So I want to get started with that little area right there so I can just take down my dirty clothes and be done with everything. So right now it is 11:06 and we're gonna see how long this is going to take me to do all this stuff. So let's just get started with this first area right now. So let's clean this dirty. Clean, dirty. And half of these jeans I like from Fashion Nova because those are where I get half of my jeans. So the things I'm putting over here are most definitely clean. Some of these jackets I just need to like hang up in my closet, so I'm gonna do that after I do this. And the clothes I'm throwing need to be washed with my other clothes that are in those bags. This area looks much organized. I have like hoodies, jeans / leggings / jogging pants, my watch, and then like pullovers, like little sweaters, shirts, and then like pajamas / like jean jackets and little jackets. And the reason I have stuff like this is for like me to like quickly throw on like what I have planned for the next day. to me, this is pretty much clean because I do have a lot of stuff that is like all important stuff. I most definitely cleaned this up a lot. That too, and under there and over here, it's just like candy, Valentine's Day stuff, my hat, the wallet, just my, not my scarf, but it's a scarf, and then my bonnets and stuff. These boxes, like none of that was gonna change because I can't do nothing with that. My shoes, and then my clothes most definitely like had to get that redone. Made up my bed, got the dirty clothes out the way, put up some clothes that was already right here. That was that. So that's pretty much it for reorganizing my room slash decluttering my room, closet kind of ish. Technically this is my closet, but it's just like coats and stuff. You guys did see when I put up my jacket, I did hang up my jacket. It was already like kind of clean. Then I put up some clothes. So my room is much cleaner than before because everything was a mess. I know this still looks a mess, but that's how I like set up my clothes, things I can just throw back on, stuff like that. So if you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to comment and suggest videos you guys like to see. And hopefully my room doesn't get back that messy. Hopefully it doesn't, so we're gonna pray on that. But I'll see all you lovely people in my next video. Peace.